Okay, this is going to be for the week of second week of December, spanning from 11th of December until the 16th of December. Okay. So let's look at some economic calendars. We certainly have pound leading on Monday. If we look at this, we are seeing quite a fair deal of expectation that pound will trade lower due to poor economic performance. Then leading into Tuesday, yet again pound leading with US CPI inflation. So that's the second week of December. And certainly Tuesday is probably going to be setting up for the rest of the week, the tone. And so that means that, let's look at CPI one sec. Consensus is relatively lower. So we have to see consensus and actual if there's going to be a significant differences. Because if there is, then there's going to be a significant price movements. But that is for us to wait on Tuesday. And then we have inflation on Wednesday for the GBP. Certainly going to be interesting. I can't. Okay. And then Fed interest rate decision. Big day. Honestly, you know what? I take it back. After reading the news, I don't think price is going to move on Tuesday. No. I think we're going to have one of these candles. This candle, or these candles. Very indecisive week. Probably. Let's look at how it goes first. It's probably going to correlate one another. Tuesday might go down, Wednesday go up, Thursday pushes down again. Then we have retail sales, and then Eurozone manufacturing, inflation as well. Don't have lithium, do we? Okay. So usually this website, okay, very, very good. Underrated almost. Recommend using it. Okay. Okay, so next week, probably a lot less trading, um, just due to the nature of it. But let's delve into it. Start with gold. So gold, we reach significant level as seen here at 18.5, 1805 handle. 1805 is being respected relatively well. You just look at this, right? It's relatively clear. The pullback, which I did not take, and I should have, occurred, and so this sets the tone for next week, in a sense where if news are significantly poor or good, then price are likely to move into these zones. Obviously, I don't have a specific spot I want to trade for gold. I mean the long positions. I don't like, the closest one is here. Probably this area. But then again, I don't know. Okay. Hard to say. So gold, I don't know. I literally am not planning to take a trade on gold, just because of how price closed last week and the upcoming economic news this coming week does not look good to be putting money on as of now. Although I could say that if the interest rate hike reduces down to 50 points, we can see then the upside on gold, and I could potentially take a sell here. Okay, so that's one of the cases, but not hinging my trades. I mean, not hinging my hope on that. Silver, same place, same thing with gold. Unless gold and silver correlates, then I could potentially close this trade. Okay? Because I have the pending right here at around 24. I think it's at 24.1. So really dependent. I'm gonna leave it open just in case on Monday it does tap. I doubt it, highly doubt it. But if it does, then I'm taking it. And then economic news on Tuesday, if it's poor or if it's favorable to a sell side position, then I'll take it. But otherwise, I will close my pendings. And this is probably going to be my highlight trade of the week as well. But let's see. I'm not going to be biased towards my setups. We'll close if I have to. The next one is GBPJPY. Two purple box are the zones I'm looking to take a sell and a buy, and that's how I mark things from now. I mean, back then I used to do a lot of different colorings, but nowadays I just kind of highlight what I want, what I see, and then if it's coming or if I'm going to take the trades, then I put it on purple. Okay. GBPJPY, we're seeing a breakout from this. We saw a breakout candle close above. Now we have to kind of break the structure, so I anticipate as well that we could see this. But let's wait and see. And this would correlate with this, and also the fact that yen, is it GBP? GBP has been rising. If you look at it, it has not broken out of its trend, and this is the pound index. Okay, and then we have NZD finally breaking out of this range. Definitely going to take the long here. However, with the news coming out this week, I will be keeping an eye on it. Okay? And for Australian dollar, pound, Australian dollar, I perhaps want to use this only as a correlation. So yeah, this is it for this week for myself, and hopefully if there's a viewer, hope this helps. Thank you.